An ancient Chinese philosopher once said, "Plan for the difficulty while it is still early, do the great while it is still small." The impact of the global pandemic COVID-19 on Africa's struggling economies, Nigeria's inclusive, warrant some bold action suggestions to prevent it from worsening the nation's food security problem. The pandemic is gradually putting the Nigerian economy on the verge of collapse. As a result, the actors in the agricultural subsector have been asked to do a lot more. However, the country has been damaged by a series of global oil sector shocks during the last decades. There are fears that the future shocks will exacerbate the entire economy architecture, including agriculture, if adequate actions are not adopted quickly by both government and the private sector. In view of this, therefore, Brother Felix Amechi Obwa, the director of Krisdera Hotels and Resorts, decided to prepare a difficult assignment in agriculture to complement the effort of his principal, Chief Barrister Inyeso Ezenwa-Wike, CON, POS Africa, in grassroots cassava production initiative in River State by establishing Krisdera Agro-allied Farm Limited. Krisdera Agro-allied Farm Limited is an integrated agribusiness center cum agricultural training hub with special interest in cassava production, fishery and production of arable crops. The farm is located at Kilometer 3 Omok Egbema Road off Green Rivers Project, Obie in Ogba Egbema local government area of River State. A pilot study of roughly 120 hectares of cassava growing land is currently underway with the improved cassava variety known as TME 419 received from the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Ibadan. As a result of the pilot research, the company has hired over 250 farmers, providing jobs for the local communities in Onelga and beyond. We also intend to increase the value of cassava production by processing it into additional goods such as cassava flour, starch for pharmaceutical companies, fufu, animal feed and gari, among other things. The farm is currently being secured with surrounding walls to protect it from herders' activities, theft and wild animals. Workers' safety is prioritized with a seaside bus that carries them to and from the farm, as well as the first aid equipment. In addition to farmlands, the farm uses a tractor and other motorized implements to complement most of the tasks, particularly during the preparation season. The farm is currently encouraging the use of organic fertilizer to fertilize the cassava to maximum yield. The predicted output per hectare is between 10 to 10.6 tons, implying that the farm will produce between 120,000 to 130,000 metric tons of cassava per annum, making River State one of the leading states in cassava production. The company is currently producing additional edible fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes, cabbage, eggplants, cucumber, watermelon, and so many others utilizing organic manure. Our mission is 1. To become one of the best and leading farms in cassava production and value addition in cassava processing in a short period of time. 2. To become one of the leading incubators in cassava production and processing in the region and beyond. And 3. To complement the effort of the River State governments in grassroots cassava production initiative and employment generation through agriculture.